Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change number format in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare your data. And here I have prepared my data and I'm going to change the format of this price column. I'm going to change the format into currency format. And what we're going to do is just selecting the column like this. Then we have to click on this button. Alright, and we can click on cell. And we can go down until we find number format. It's right here. As you can see that the format is automatic format, and I'm going to change it into currency. And I'm going to click on currency right here. Alright, and now the format has been changed. And that's how we can change the number format in Google Sheets app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.